Christopher David Lawson of Neepaw.
And the Fairlane is coming home. Finally. Was only at the shop for a few weeks, but we're getting there. Now, I'm gonna help them get backed in here. We'll take some video of it. Alright, we got the Fairlane back in the yard. This is what he worked on for me too. Patched up some holes and straightened some stuff out on the front fenders. Got them remounted again. See, repatched up. They actually had this car split in half. I'll show you the pictures of all the stuff. I know it still looks kind of ugly, but it's a lot more solid than it was. They say that was all cut out and rusty there. Got everything back together. All the best parts went on this car out of the stuff that I had. That was a whole brand new patch panel they put in on the other piece. This is actually a whole back end off another car. But all this was all rusted out in here, and they say pretty much got a whole 2 cars made into one. Now I just got to save up the money and get it painted, and I need to do some more work on it. But back in the yard again, he did it really quick. It's amazing what people that have been doing this for years can do when they know how to do metalworking.